Welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I am testing out this coming soon plugin. This is for people setting up a new blog and want to set up a landing page for visitors to see that your site is under maintenance or development or coming soon. And this is a great plugin to use. It is minimal options, designs, and settings. So let's install it from here. Install now. And you can get this directly from WP admin. Just search for coming soon and add it directly like this and then activate it. Now under your settings there will be a maintenance mode option right here. To turn this on, all you have to do is click on there to enable maintenance mode, and that's it. Save changes. Now let's see what the site looks like. Okay, so the maintenance landing page is not showing up because you need to actually disable this part right here, show normal website to logged in users. So let's save changes and refresh. So there it is. So it's just a really nice simple landing page with a background, and you can actually customize these right here. So with this free plugin you have access to a couple of themes here. These are free, and then these other ones are premium themes which are not necessary, I think. So to customize, go to design, and then you can change the logo icon and the background cover. So let's check out the background cover. So these are some of the options. So let's check out this one. Okay, let's save and refresh. There it is. And to customize your these texts here, go back to the basic options here and scroll down, and you can edit these, the header text and content, just like that. And down here there's some other options to show a login button and the page layout, so you can drag and drop these icons and text, and you can even have a subscribe form. Okay, let's save to see what it looks like now. There it is. Okay, so that's pretty much it to this plugin. It's pretty simple to use for when you're updating your site or under maintenance, under development, or coming soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy blogging.